Did you know 12% of Canadian homebuyers are ditching realtors entirely, and some are saving thousands? Let me tell you, as a realtor myself, I've seen both sides of this coin. Last year, my buddy Dave decided to buy a condo solo. He texted me, "How hard could it be?" Cue nervous laughter. First, the perks. Skipping a realtor means avoiding that 5% commission split. On a $500,000 home? That's 25 grand saved if the seller plays ball. Dave loved the idea of pocketing some cash. Who wouldn't? Plus, he hated the back and forth of scheduling viewings through agents. "I want control," he said. Fair. But here's the kicker. Dave didn't realize MLS listings agents use are like a secret menu. He spent weekends scouring public sites, missing out on gems. Oh, and negotiating? Picture Dave, a graphic designer, squaring off against a seasoned seller's agent. Let's just say he learned the word counteroffer the hard way. That reminds me, paperwork. Shudders. Contracts read like ancient scrolls. Dave almost missed a clause about shared parking until his lawyer flagged it. Speaking of, hire a real estate attorney. They're worth every penny. Mine charges around $2,000, but hey, that's cheaper than a lawsuit over a faulty roof. Inspections? Non negotiable. Dave skipped one initially. The place looked fine until a neighbor mentioned recurring basement floods. Cue panic. He scrambled, got a pro in, and negotiated repairs. Lesson: never trust a fresh coat of paint. Now, if you're still tempted to go solo, here's my unsolicited advice: get pre approved. Sellers take you seriously. Research comps like it's your part time job. And for heaven's sake, include contingencies. Dave's financing clause saved him when his lender got cold feet. But here's the real talk: most buyers need a guide. Sure, you can climb Everest without a Sherpa, but why risk frostbite? Realtors spot red flags, no off market listings, and yes, handle the awkward haggling. So, would I ever buy without an agent? Maybe a new build from a developer, less variables. But for resale, I'll stick with my Rolodex of inspectors, lawyers, and yes, fellow agents. What about you? Ever dipped your toe in the DI real estate pool? Let me tell you, it's refreshing, or maybe just freezing. Either way, if you want to read more, see the link in the description, like and subscribe, or the algorithm will demote me to virtual open house host, and nobody wants that.